Welcome to Position for Impact, the media ministry of Oasis of Hope family.
We have in our midst a powerful woman of God that has been laboring in this nation for many years. Amen. She's the pastor in Roskilde Frikirke. Her name is Liz. And we are honored to have you here. We welcome you and we are expectant. We want to see what the Lord will do through you today. Amen. So you are welcome.
Ja, men jeg er faktisk beæret over, at jeg er blevet bedt om at tale her i dag.
I am honored that I've been asked to speak here today.
For jeg ved jo, at I har en dygtig bibellærer.
I know that you have a very good Bible teacher.
I dig, Ingi.
In me, Ingi.
Jeg har jo hørt ham undervise flere gange.
I've heard him teach many times.
Og jeg kan sige, at det er stærk og dyb undervisning.
And it's powerful teaching.
Og jeg ved jo også, at din dejlige hustru, Catherine,
I know also that your wonderful wife, Catherine,
er en salvet kvinde.
is an anointed woman of God.
Også til at forkynde ordet.
Also to preach the word of God.
Så I mangler så ikke noget i den retning?
So you're not missing anything concerning that.
Så tak, fordi I alligevel lader mig tale her.
So thank you for inviting me to preach here today.
Jeg taler.
I'm preaching.
Jeg prædiker ikke.
I'm speaking.
Yes. Jeg fortæller.
I'm telling.
Fordi det er det, jeg er kaldet til.
Because that's my calling.
Så I skal ikke forvente at få rugbrød i dag.
So don't expect to eat Danish rugbrød.
Selvom jeg er dansker og elsker rugbrød.
Even if I'm Danish and I love the rye bread.
Så er det noget helt andet.
So I'm here for a totally different reason.
I skal ikke forvente en dyb og intellektuel forkyndelse.
Don't expect a deep and intellectual preaching or teaching.
Men jeg vil gerne velsigne jer.
But I want to bless you.
Og jeg mener, at den velsignelse,
And I believe that this blessing
som jeg vil give jer,
that I'm about to give you
er Guds måde at skubbe jer på.
is God's way of pushing you
Til den vej, som han har bestemt for jer.
onto that road that He has designed for you.
Jeg elskede jeres lovsang.
I loved your worship
Fordi dybest set, så er det alt, hvad jeg vil sige.
because in the depth of my heart, that's all that I want to say.
For mit yndlingsemne,
Because my favorite topic
som jeg skal tale om,
that I'm going to speak about
det er Jesus.
is Jesus.
Jeg elsker ham.
I love Him.
Jeg elsker ham.
I love Him.
Jeg kan græde
I can cry
spandevis af tårer.
buckets full of tears
Fordi når jeg hører ham,
because when I hear Him,
når jeg hører hans ord,
when I hear His word,
hvad han har gjort for mig,
what He has done for me,
så kan jeg kun bøje mig for ham
then I can only bow down
og sige, jeg elsker dig,
and
Jesus.
say, I love you, Jesus.
Jeg begyndte at forberede mig meget tidligt på ugen,
I started preparing very early in this week
for hvordan jeg troede, det skulle være.
of how I thought it was going to be.
Og pludselig så oplevede jeg,
And suddenly I
Nej.
experienced,
nej.
no.
Og så siger jeg, jamen hvad så, Jesus?
But then what, Jesus?
Så siger han, hvad elsker du mest ved mig?
What do you love most about me? Well,
Dine øjne.
your eyes.
Og når jeg ser ind i Jesus øjne,
And when I look into His eyes,
når jeg møder hans blik,
when our eyes meet,
så ser jeg først hans kærlighed,
I see, first of all, His love,
hans hengivenhed,
His compassion or His devotion,
og hans tilgivelse,
His forgiveness,
og hans hellighed.
and His holiness.
Og så straks må jeg bøje blikket
And immediately I have to bow before Him.
og bøje mig for ham.
Yeah, bow before Him.
Fordi jeg ser også mig selv
Because I also see myself
i hans øjne.
in His eyes.
Jeg ser min ufuldkommenhed.
I see my imperfection.
Men jeg ser også det, han har kaldt mig til.
But I also see what He has called me for.
Det, han har kaldt mig til at være.
That which He has called me to be.
Og da Jesus han gik omkring her på jorden,
And when Jesus walked on this earth,
så han mennesker.
He saw people.
Han så, hvad de skulle være.
He saw what they were going to be or become.
Det han havde skabt dem til.
What he had created them to be.
Da han kaldte Simon,
When he called Simon,
der var fisker,
that was a fisherman,
vidste han, at ham kan jeg gøre til en Peter, hvor jeg kan bygge min kirke på.
he knew that he could make him into Peter on which he was to build his church.
Da han kaldte Matthæus,
When he called Matthew,
der var toller,
that was a tax collector,
vidste han også, hvad han havde skabt ham til.
he also knew what he had created him to be.
Han havde skabt ham med et intellekt,
He had created him with an intelligent mind
og til at kunne gå i detaljer,
and to go into details
for han skulle jo skrive.
because he was going to write.
Jesus, han regner ikke med det, vi er.
Jesus doesn't count on what we are,
Men det, vi bliver,
but that which we are
når vi
going
har
to
mødt
be
ham.
when we have met him,
Fordi så forandres vi.
because that's when we change.
Og i Markus evangeliet, jeg er sådan en, der opfordrer til, at man går hjem og læser det bagefter. Jeg læser det ikke højt.
So in the book of Mark, and I encourage you to go home and read afterwards. I will not read it out loud.
Markus 1, 40-45, der fortæller der om, at Jesus han møder en spedalsk mand.
In Mark chapter 1, was it?
Ja, 40.
40 to 45, Jesus meets a leper.
Og han ser hans oprigtige hjerte,
And he sees his honest heart,
og derfor helbreder han ham.
and that's why he heals him.
Fordi han så ind i ham.
Because he looked into him, or he saw into him.
Han så og mødte
He saw and he met him
der, hvor han var.
right there where he was.
I Matthæus 18,
In Matthew chapter 18,
1-5,
1 to 5, verses 1 to 5,
der har disciplene meget travlt
the disciples are very busy
med at tale om, hvem der er den største i Guds rige.
talking about who is the greatest in the kingdom.
Vi kan hurtigt komme til at tænke, hvem har den største kirke, hvem er den bedste taler.
It's easy for us to think who has the greatest church and who is the best preacher
Og hvem har den største tjeneste.
and who has the greatest ministry.
Og ved hvad Jesus han så til deres hjerter.
But Jesus saw into their hearts.
Og så tager han et barn,
And he takes a child,
og barnet blev ikke regnet for særlig meget dengang.
and the children were not, what is it called? You didn't look at a child as something big in those days.
De havde ingen værdi.
Yeah, they didn't have any value.
Ja. Og så siger han,
And then he says
at der er ingen, der kommer ind i Guds rige,
that there is no one that will enter the kingdom of heaven
uden man bliver som et barn.
if you don't become like a child.
For barnet
Because the child
er ydmyg,
is humble,
og det er den, der kan bøje sig og være ydmyg,
or the person that can bow down and be humble
bliver stor i himlen.
is becoming or will be great in the kingdom of heaven.
Jesus viser os, at barnet indordner sig jo.
Jesus is showing us that the child is submitting.
De ved godt, hvem der er den største.
They know who is the greatest one.
I en søskende flok,
In a flock of siblings,
så ved den mindste godt,
the youngest one knows
at jeg ikke er den ældste.
that I'm not the oldest,
Og jeg skal se op til den ældste,
and I have to look up to the oldest
for det er dem, jeg skal lære af.
because I'm learning from them.
Jeg har været skolelærer,
I've been a school teacher,
og jeg underviste børn
and I taught children
i at lære at læse,
to read
og så videre, med hvad man lærer i skolen.
and so on, whatever you learn in school.
Der var ingen af børnene, der var i tvivl om,
There was not a single child that had any doubt
hvem der var bedre og bedst til at læse.
who was better or who was best at reading.
Det behøvede man ikke gøre dem opmærksom på.
You didn't have to tell them who was the best.
Og pædagogikken, jeg brugte i skolen,
The theory that I used
for at lære dem at være børn,
how I used to teach them how to be children,
det var, at de skulle ikke konkurrere med hinanden,
that they are not in a competition with each other,
men med sig selv.
but with oneself.
Man skulle sætte mål,
You have to set a goal,
og så var det min opgave som lærer,
and then it was my job as a teacher
at hjælpe dem
to help them
at nå målet.
to reach their goal.
Og barnet
And the child
lærer vi at adlyde.
learns by obedience. Yes, thank you.
Hvis et barn er godt opdraget,
If the child is not raised properly,
så forstår det forældres blik,
then they understand the look in their parents' eyes. If they are well raised, they understand just the look in their parents' eyes
og handler derefter.
and will act accordingly. Yes.
Da vores børn var børn og unge,
When our children were young and were children and young,
så sagde jeg altid, at jeg styrer mine børn med øjnene.
I used to say that I control my children with my eyes.
På samme måde er det faktisk også med Jesus.
And in the same way it is with Jesus.
Han vil så gerne,
He wants so much
at vi ser ham i øjnene.
that we look into his eyes,
For derved lærer vi ham godt at kende.
because in that way we get to know him very well.
Mine børn var aldrig i tvivl om,
My children never doubted
at jeg elskede dem.
that I loved them.
Jeg behøvede ikke at slå,
I didn't have to hit them.
råbe
I didn't have to shout
eller løbe efter dem.
or run after them.
Jeg nævnede deres navn.
I called out their name.
De så på mig,
They looked at me.
og først så de min kærlighed.
And first they saw my love.
Og derefter så fik de et blik,
And afterwards they received a look.
og så handlede de derefter.
And they acted accordingly.
Og det er sådan, jeg oplever Jesus.
And that's how I experience Jesus.
Han nævner mit navn.
He calls out my name.
Så er det mit ansvar
And then it's my responsibility
at se op på ham
to look up unto him,
og møde ham.
to meet him,
Og jeg vil se hans kærlighed.
and I will see his love.
Han viser mig også,
He also shows me
hvad
what
og hvordan
and how
jeg skal gøre.
I'm supposed to do.
Og jeg mener, det er mit ansvar.
And I believe that it is my responsibility.
Der var af til, mine børn ikke så op, når jeg nævnte deres navn.
Sometimes sorry, can you repeat?
Mine børn,
My
de
children,
så ikke op,
they didn't look up
når jeg kaldte på dem.
when I called their name
Fordi de havde dårlig samvittighed.
because they had a bad conscience.
Og ved I hvad? Da jeg sad derhjemme
And when I was sitting at home,
og forberedte til i dag,
I was preparing for today,
så fik jeg en enorm stærk oplevelse.
I had a very powerful experience.
Jeg oplevede Jesus nærvær meget stærkt.
I experienced the presence of the Lord strongly.
Og så fortæller han mig,
And then he told me
at der er faktisk nogen her i dag, der gerne vil have den relation med Jesus.
that there is someone here today that wants that relationship with him,
At se ham i øjnene.
to look into his eyes,
At bare være der.
just to be there in his presence,
Og kunne se hans øjne.
and be able to see or look into his eyes.
Hvis du er her, og hvis det er dig, og hvis det er rigtigt, og hvis det er Herren, og alle undskyldningerne,
If you are here, and if it's you, and you are here today,
så skal du rejse dig op.
then I want you to just stand up.
Og det er ikke for, at du skal udstilles,
It's not to put you on display,
men han har søgt dig længe,
but he has been searching for you for a long, long time.
og han ønsker
And
at møde dit blik.
he wants to meet your eyes.
Han ønsker at vise dig
He wants to show you
sin kærlighed
his
til dig.
love for you.
Jeg ved godt, at du er bange for at alle dine fejl,
I know that you're afraid of all your mistakes,
men det skal du ikke være.
but don't be.
Det kan godt være, at der er noget, du skal gøre op med nogen.
Maybe you have to deal with something.
Det kan også være, at der er nogen, du skal bede om tilgivelse hos.
Maybe you have to go and ask for forgiveness from someone.
Men det kan også være, at du skal have tilgivelse.
But maybe you also need forgiveness.
Så tro endelig ikke,
So don't think
at det er, fordi du skal udstilles
that I want to expose you
som en dårligt menneske.
as a bad person.
Men det er fordi, at din Herre
But it's because your Lord
gerne vil møde dig.
wants to meet you.
Og du vil opleve,
And you will experience
at din skaber
that your Creator
er til stede i dit liv.
is present in your life.
Og du vil starte en ny vandring i dag.
And you will begin a new walk today.
Jeg ved ikke, hvilken vej du skal gå,
I don't know which road you are supposed to take,
men det vil du se i hans øjne.
but you will see it when you look into His eyes.
Og du vil se, hvad han har skabt dig til at være.
And you will see what He has created you to be.
Og hvad han havde bestemt fra før du var skabt i moders liv.
And what He had decided before you were formed in your mother's womb.
I Johannes åbenbaring
In the book of Revelation
1:14,
1:14,
der står der, at Johannes så Jesus.
it says that John saw Jesus.
Han så ham som menneskesøndens udseende.
He saw Him as the Son of Man.
Med hoved og hår var
But
hvidt,
His head, his hair and everything was white,
som den hvideste uld,
as the whitest wool,
som sne.
as snow.
Hans øjne
His eyes
var som lugende ild.
were like a flaming fire.
Og jeg har hørt mange kristne være bange
And I've heard many Christians that have been afraid
for at se ind i de øjne,
to look into those eyes
fordi det var ild.
because it was a fire.
Og jeg synes, at filmindustrien,
And I think that the movie industry,
de har gjort det godt
they did a good job
for at ødelægge det,
to destroy that,
det sande billede.
the true picture.
Fordi jeg ser ham slet ikke farlig.
Because to me, he's not dangerous.
Fordi når jeg går i bad,
When I take a shower,
så bruger jeg varmt vand
I use hot water
for at blive ren.
to become clean.
Og fordi jeg ikke kan lide koldt vand.
And because I don't like cold water.
Kolde øjne er jo ikke behagelige.
Cold eyes are not comfortable.
Min mand er fra Sverige,
My husband is from Sweden.
og han har blå øjne.
He has blue eyes,
Meget blå.
very blue,
Isblå.
like ice, blue like ice.
Og de kan være kolde at se ind i.
And they can be very cold to look at.
Jeg ved, at han elsker mig.
I know that He loves me. It's good that I know that He loves me.
Men når jeg ser ind i Jesu øjne,
But when I look into the eyes of Jesus,
med lugende ild,
whose eyes are like a flaming fire,
så oplever jeg varme,
I experienced heat,
renhed
purity,
og øjne,
and eyes
der vil rense mig
that want to cleanse me
i alt det, jeg ser.
in everything that I see.
Jeg ser også, at det er med øjne, der har lidenskab.
I also see that there is a passion in His eyes.
Det er et brændende ønske,
There's a burning desire
at han har for at frelse
He has to save
og leve
and to live
med mig i et nært fællesskab.
with me in close fellowship.
Så jeg ser en lidenskab
So I see a passion
for mig,
for
som er
me
hans skabning.
as His creation.
Så frygt ikke,
So don't be afraid.
men modtag hans kald.
Don't be afraid to receive His calling.
Jeg oplevede, hvordan at Jesus han igen kom til mig.
I also experienced how Jesus came to me again.
Og så siger han så, at
And He said to me,
det kan godt være, at du er bange
you may be afraid
for at komme ind i min nærhed.
to come into my presence,
Kom så tæt på mig,
to come so close to me,
Fordi du har oplevet noget.
because you have experienced something.
Noget, som har været frygtsomt.
Something that has been terrible.
Noget, som måske har været voldsomt.
Something that has been violent or
Noget, som du måske har været udsat for.
something that has happened to you.
Noget, som gør, at du har svært ved at se mennesker i øjnene.
Something that does that you can't look someone straight into their eyes.
Så kan du næsten heller ikke se din herre i øjnene.
Then it's like you can't even look into the eyes of your master.
Du kan opleve, at det kan ryste i dig.
You can experience that you're shaking,
Og du nogle gange får lyst til at skrige højt,
and sometimes you feel like shouting
når du skal se mennesker i øjnene, eller tanken om at møde Jesus øjne.
when you want to look people into the eyes, or when you want to look Jesus into his eyes.
Men Jesus var der,
But Jesus is there.
da du var udsat for det, du var udsat for.
Jesus was there when whatever happened to you happened.
Han græd faktisk.
He was actually crying.
Han havde ikke behag i det, der skete.
He was not pleased with what happened.
Det var ikke en del af hans plan.
It wasn't a part of his plan.
Det var ikke ham, der ville straffe dig.
He didn't want to punish you.
Han mente ikke, du fortjente det.
He didn't think that you deserved it.
Ej heller, at du skulle lære noget af det.
He didn't want you to learn something from it.
Det var fanden ham selv. Det var Satan selv,
It was the devil himself
der var ude efter dig.
that was out to get you.
Det var ham, der ville knække dig.
It was him that wanted to break you.
Men Jesus, han vil faktisk læge dig.
But Jesus wants to heal you.
Han vil læge dig lige nu.
He wants to heal you right now.
Når du møder hans blik,
When you meet his eyes.
har du brug for en hånd,
If you need a hand,
så grib en hånd i nærheden.
then take a hand next to you. Grab a hand next to you.
Og hvis du ikke synes, der er en hånd,
And if you don't think there's a hand,
så kom og tag min.
then come and take my hand.
Så vil vi sammen gå ind foran tronen.
Then we will together go before his throne.
For Gud har givet mig lov
Because God has allowed me
at komme ind foran hans trone.
to come before his throne.
Jeg forstår
I understand
din smerte,
your pain
uden at kende den.
without knowing it.
Og jeg må tilstå,
I have to confess,
da jeg oplevede den smerte derhjemme,
when I felt that pain at home,
så var jeg nødt til at tage en pause.
I had to take a break,
Og jeg gik ud og hængte vasketøj op.
and I went to hang the laundry.
Men budskabet,
But the message
det er fra mit hjerte til jeres hjerte.
is from my heart to yours.
At Herren
That the
vil
Lord,
helbrede.
that the Lord wants to heal.
Jeg tror, jeg vil tage det næste, jeg oplevede.
I will take the next thing that I experienced.
Det næste, jeg netop vil beskrive, det er Jesu hænder.
That the next thing I want to describe is the hands of Jesus.
Jeg ser hans sårmærker.
I see his nail-pierced hands.
Jeg ved,
I know
at det er ved hans sårmærker,
it is by the wounds in his hands
vi får lægedom.
that we receive healing.
I Esajas 53,
In Isaiah 53,
der kan vi læse om, at vi ved hans sår blev helbredt.
we read that by his stripes we were healed.
Dette her tror jeg på.
I believe this.
Selvom jeg har sygdom selv,
Even if I have a sickness myself
og jeg har konstant smerter.
and I'm constantly in pain,
Men ved I hvad, det er Herrens sag.
but you know that is up to the Lord.
Jeg har fortalt ham, at jeg ønsker at blive helbredt
I've told him that I want to be healed
og fri for smerter.
and to be free from all pain.
Og jeg tror, han vil gøre det en dag.
And I believe he will do it one day.
Men indtil da,
But until that day,
Så vil jeg bare glæde mig og prise ham.
I want to rejoice and praise him.
Pris ham under alle forhold.
Praise him in all circumstances.
Glæd dig altid i Herren.
Rejoice always in the Lord.
Og det var ved hans udstrakte arme på korset,
It was with his outstretched hands on the cross
at han tager os i favn.
that he embraces us.
En dag under bøn,
One day in prayer,
der så jeg pludselig
I suddenly saw
Jesus, der blev naglet til korset.
Jesus being nailed to the cross.
Men da han sådan fik og skulle til at blive rejst, at korset skulle til at rejses op,
When they lifted up the cross,
så jeg, at jeg var blevet hængt på ham.
I saw that I was there with him.
Og så sagde han, sådan,
And then he said,
sådan bærer jeg
this is how I carry
alle.
everyone.
Jeg blev dybt berørt.
I was deeply moved.
Tænk, at han ikke bare bar sig selv og sin egen krop,
Think that it wasn't just him and his own body that he carried,
men han bar også mig.
but he also carried me.
Wow,
Wow.
det er smerte, der vil noget.
That is pain that wants something.
Det er i hans hænder,
It's in his hands
at jeg ser hans offer.
that I see his sacrifice.
Vi kender alle sammen til, at vi har forskellige hænder.
We all know that we all have different hands.
Min far havde en stor hånd.
My father had a big hand,
Virkelig stor hånd.
really big,
Så stor.
this big.
Jeg tror aldrig, jeg har set så stor en hånd.
I don't think I've ever seen big hands like that.
Og jeg skal love jer for, det var ikke sjovt at få en på hovedet.
I promise you it was not fun to get a slap on the head.
Så jeg blev bange for hans hånd.
So I was afraid of his hand.
Min mormor,
My grandmother,
hun havde en rynket hånd.
she had a wrinkled hand.
Og jeg elskede hendes hænder.
And I loved her hands.
Jeg elskede alt ved hende.
I loved everything about her
Fordi hun viste mig Jesus.
because she showed me Jesus.
Og tidligt i min barndom,
Very early on in my childhood,
så kunne jeg se, at jeg ville få mange rynker på hænderne.
I knew that I was going to have a very wrinkled hand
Fordi jeg havde aftegningerne.
because I had
Stregerne.
I had the marks on my hands,
Yeah.
or the lines.
Og jeg har et barnebarn,
And I have a grandchild
som havde de samme rynker.
that
på
had
hånden.
the same wrinkles on the hand.
Og jeg sagde til hende,
And I
jeg
told
tror,
her,
at du får lige så mange rynker som mig.
I believe you're going to get as many wrinkles as I have.
Og hendes svar var,
And her answer was,
det vil være en ære.
that will be an honor.
Jesus hænder skræmmer mig aldrig.
The hands of Jesus will never make me afraid.
Heller ikke hans mærker i sår i hænderne skræmmer mig.
Even the holes in his hands will frighten me.
Hans hænder, som har skabt mig.
The hands that have created me.
Det er hans hænder, der former mig dagligt.
It's his hands that shape me daily.
Som pottemageren,
As the potter
der skaber sit kar.
that
Med
is
sine
making
hænder.
his jar.
Sådan er Herrens hænder om mig.
That's how the Lord's hands are with me.
Det er de hænder, der har båret min synd,
Those hands, they carried my sin,
min skyld
my shame,
og skam.
yeah, my guilt and my shame.
Og når jeg lægger det i hans hænder,
And when I lay all this into his hands,
min synd
my sin,
og skyld og skam,
my guilt, my shame,
så ser jeg, at det løber bare igennem.
I see that it's just running through.
For det løber lige igennem hans sårmærke.
It runs through the hole in his
Så er
hands.
det væk.
And then they are gone.
Jeg har renset af hans blod.
I am cleansed by his blood.
Og Jesus, han ønsker kun at række ud og møde os.
And Jesus only desires to reach out and meet us.
Han ønsker, at vi skal tage imod hans udstrakte arme.
He desires that we reach out to grab his hands,
Så vi kan mærke hans offer og hans renselse.
so we can feel his sacrifice and his cleansing,
Hans tilgivelse.
his forgiveness,
Hans helbredelse.
his healing,
Og få et intimt forhold med ham.
and have an intimate relationship with him.
At leve et tæt liv
To live
med ham.
a life close to him.
Han ønsker, at vi skal gå med ham i hånden.
He wants to walk hand in hand.
Og når vi går med nogen i hånden,
And
så kan vi godt mærke deres hænder.
when we walk holding hands with someone, we can feel their hands.
Min hud er tør.
My skin is dry.
Nogle gange er den så tør, så jeg river stoffet i stykker.
Sometimes it's so dry that it can actually tear some cloth or something.
Min mand siger,
My husband tells me
at jeg kunne være sandpapir i hans snikkeri. Det ved jeg ikke.
I might as well be sandpaper in his hands.
Når jeg holder Jesus i hånden,
When I hold the hand of Jesus,
så mærker jeg hans offer.
I can feel his sacrifice,
Fordi jeg kan mærke hans sårmærke.
because I can feel the holes in his hands.
Og det er godt at vandre med ham i hånden.
And it's good to hold his hand,
For så har jeg hele tiden opmærksomheden på ham.
because then my focus is on him.
Og han kan hele mig.
And he can heal me.
Nogle gange så er jeg nødt til at klemme lidt hårdere.
Sometimes I have to squeeze a bit harder.
Andre gange så synes jeg, det er som om, at han glider ud af min hånd.
Other times it's like his hand is falling out of my hand.
Men tro, det er ikke Jesus, der løsner grebet.
But believe me, it's not Jesus that is letting go of my hand.
Det er mig,
It's me.
der har fokuset det forkerte sted.
I'm focusing on the wrong thing.
Mit fokus
My focus
skal være på hans øjne,
has to be his eyes.
og min hånd
And my hand
skal være i hans hånd.
has to be in his hand.
Jeg håber,
I hope
at jeg har vist jer et billede af Jesus.
that I've shown you a picture of Jesus.
Den Jesus, jeg kender.
The Jesus that I know.
Den Jesus, jeg elsker.
The Jesus I love.
Jeg håber, at du vil opleve, at det giver fred.
I hope that you experience that there's a peace.
Jeg hørte jo, at I bad om fred
I heard that you prayed for peace
i os som mennesker.
in us as human beings.
Fordi det er vigtigt,
It's important
at der er fred i os.
that we have peace.
For vi lever i en urolig verden,
We live in a turbulent world,
og jeg ved ikke, om den bliver bedre.
and I don't know if it's becoming any better.
Jeg tvivler.
I have my doubts.
Men der er det vigtigt, at vi har fred.
But it's important we have peace.
For når vi har fred,
When we have peace,
når vi har Jesu fred,
when we have the peace of Jesus,
så kan vi være noget for den urolige verden.
then we are able to be something for those in that turbulent world.
Så kan vi kun møde mennesker
Then we can meet people
med fred,
with peace.
som er fra Gud.
Peace that is from God.
For der findes ingen anden fred.
Because there really is no other peace.
Jeg tror ikke på fred
I don't believe in peace
mellem mennesker.
between people.
Det kan mennesker ikke finde ud af.
People can't figure that out.
Vi bliver selviske.
We are egoistic.
Vi bliver stolte.
We become proud.
Men Jesus
But Jesus
er svaret.
is the answer.
Der er kun fred ved ham.
There's only peace in Jesus.
Fordi hvad kan så skille os fra Guds kærlighed?
What can separate us from the love of God?
Ingenting står der i Romerne.
Nothing, the book of Romans tells us.
Ingenting kan skille os
Nothing can separate us
fra Kristi kærlighed.
from the love of Christ.
Intet.
Nothing.
De kan dræbe os hver dag flere gange om dagen. Men det kan ikke skille os fra Gud.
We can be drained many times a day, but nothing can separate us from the love of God.
Så jeg håber, at det billede, jeg har tegnet,
So I hope that the picture that I painted
giver mening.
brings meaning,
At det giver en forståelse.
that it brings understanding,
At det giver et mod
gives courage
til at samle sig op.
to pick yourself up,
At se ham i øjnene.
to look into his eyes,
Tag ham i hånden.
take his hand,
Og så gå videre
and then keep walking
med visdom
with wisdom
for Gud.
from God.
Fordi han vil være med os alle dage jo.
Because he is with us all the days of our lives.
Og det var det, jeg ville velsigne jer med håbet
And
om det.
that's what I wanted to bless you with today.